Anaheim peppers stuffed with a blend of mild and hot fresh Italian sausage with some added spice. These peppers are designed to excite. Like, subscribe, and click the bell. I'm Mika. Ready? After washing the peppers, remove the tops and the seeds. Then finely chop the usable flesh from the tops and reserve for the sauce. Dice the red onion. Finely chop the celery. And mince the garlic cloves. Then blanch the peppers in boiling salted water for 5 minutes until just tender. This softens the skin and ensures they fully cook during baking. In a hot 11-inch skillet, melt 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. Add onions, celery, and chop the pepper tops. Saute until the celery is tender. If your celery is cut too large, it will take too long to cook. Add the crushed tomatoes and tomato sauce. Stir them in and allow some of the liquid to simmer off. Mix in the sauce with garlic, oregano, basil, and 1½ teaspoons of fine sea salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Some years ago, I enjoyed living in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This style of pepper is a classic there and is found on the menu of many restaurants and pubs. Simmer uncovered for 10 to 15 minutes to your desired consistency. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1 large egg, salt, and crushed red pepper, Worcestershire sauce, and the grated Parmigiano or Parmesan cheese. Mix well. Remove the skin from the hot and mild sausages. Using your hands, mix in the meat and the breadcrumbs. Then add 1/2 cup of the sauce. Mix thoroughly and keep the remaining sauce warm until needed. Stuff the peppers by putting a small amount of the meat mixture into the pepper and pushing down to the tip with the rounded handle of a wooden spoon or spatula. Completely fill each pepper, smoothing the top and organizing neatly in a 3/4 9x13 baking pan. There should be enough stuffing for 10 to 12 peppers depending on their size. If there's extra stuffing, break it up and put it in the casserole. Pour all of the warm sauce into the casserole, evenly covering the peppers. To prevent drips, place the casserole on the baking sheet and bake uncovered in the preheated 350-degree oven for 45 minutes. Take it out of the oven and put the room temperature fresh mozzarella slices on top and return to the oven. Bake 15 minutes more. Turn on the broiler and after about 2 or 3 minutes, the cheese should be bubbly and slightly browned. Delicious! Serve 1 or 2 peppers per person, being sure each pepper has cheese. Spoon on some sauce and sprinkle with a little fresh parsley. Your whole family will love this dish, and the aromas of peppers and tomato will fill your whole home. Serve with some pasta on the side. It is so good. Please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching my video.